Hey everyone, welcome back to She Tried It. In today's video, I wanted to talk to you about the ultimate crochet toolkit. As we all know, there are levels to this thing. This video will be divided up into 3 categories: basic crochet kit, the ready for anything kit, and the bougie kit. As usual, I'll leave timestamps below in the description box for you to quickly hop to a specific category in the future. Also, I want to thank WeCrochet for sponsoring today's video and for hosting today's giveaway, which I'll tell you more about later. As usual, I'm so happy to have the chance to work with them again. Every single thing I mentioned in this video can be found on the WeCrochet website. Let's not waste any more time because we have quite a few things to go through. I mean, let's be real. You can't crochet without crochet hooks. These hooks from WeCrochet are perfect for any beginner. This set comes with 9 hooks and ranges from 2mm to 6mm. I personally love the amazing colors they come in because it makes each hook size easily identifiable. I don't always use the hook the pattern calls for in order to meet gauge. While I try to make note of what I did use, I typically at least get a picture. That way I know if I have a pink hook in the picture, I can easily go look at the size. These hooks also have an easy to grip handle and extremely lightweight. For any beginners or even experienced crocheters experimenting with more intricate patterns, stitch markers are a must. They serve a variety of purposes. They can help you remember where a decrease or increase is located, or they can help you remember the beginning or end of a row. Stitch markers can tend to be a bit like bobby pins or hair ties. No matter how many you have, you can never have enough because they always seem to get lost. These 20 locking stitch markers from WeCrochet should hold you over for a while because they also come with a convenient storage pouch. All it takes is a few huge or tiny sweaters for any crocheter to learn the importance of gauge. And you can't get gauge without a ruler. This is a super cute acrylic ruler from WeCrochet. It's essential for any crafter, and it's 4 inches long, which is perfect for measuring gauge on any project. This ruler is perfect for on the go and is a must for all crocheting levels. If you've been crocheting tops and are never satisfied by how they fit, a ruler and a gauge swatch might be the missing key. There's nothing quite like a sharp pair of scissors. Take it from me, in the beginning of my crochet journey, I thought cheap scissors from the dollar store were just fine, but I quickly learned I was wrong. These scissors from WeCrochet are described as small, sharp, and precise. And that's exactly what you need when crocheting. These scissors have a pointy 1-inch blade, and they also come with a protective sheath cover for safety and so that your scissors don't poke a hole in your whip or your project bag. For some reason, weaving in ends is a dreaded part of any crochet project, but sooner or later it must get done. And the best tool for weaving in ends are these bent tapestry needles. This set comes with a small, medium, and large needle. The bent tip makes it perfect for maneuvering under and around stitches. They also come with a convenient storage pouch so none of these essential needles go missing. Next is a project pouch. Even as a beginner, you find yourself crocheting in places outside of your home, and you need a way to carry them from place to place. This adorable 100% cotton pouch is perfect for any crafter on the move. It closes simply by pulling on the drawstring, and it even has a fun mantra on it: coffee, crochet, sleep, repeat. For this bag to be more accurate for me personally, it would need to replace the word coffee with tea, but it's still an amazing bag for traveling with whips. Last but certainly not least in the basic category is a digital scale. Everyone might not see this as a basic, and I get that, but I remember completing my very first pattern test for Holly of Holly Woodward Designs, and she asked me how much yarn I'd used, and I was completely clueless. If I had a digital scale in my toolkit, I could have avoided a lot of embarrassment. Don't be like me. Make sure you have a scale in your kit. This one is perfect because it measures in ounces, pounds, and grams. That's it for the basic category, so let's hop into the Ready for Anything kit. The Ready for Anything kit is all about upgrading and acquiring the essentials to make your crochet life a bit easier. And with that said, we'll start with this gorgeous WeCrochet zippered pouch. When it comes to the Ready for Anything kit, it's out with the cotton pouch in the basic kit and in with the vinyl zippered pouch. This bag is lovely. It has an adorable polyester interior fabric, and the zip closure makes sure none of your tools or notions escape. It even has the WeCrochet logo embossed on the corner. I'm a fan of this saffron and sepia color, but there are other varieties as well that I'll link in the description box below. Pulling out this crochet bag is an easy way to let everyone know around you that you do not play when it comes to your craft. Continuing with the upgrades, it's out with the acrylic ruler and in with the retractable tape measure. This 60-inch tape measure is lightweight and bright, so it can be found even in the depths of your project bag. It's also perfect for on-the-go gauge swatching. The last thing to upgrade is our stitch markers. So it's out with the plastic ones and in with these gorgeous metallic stitch markers. They don't mark stitches any better than the other ones, but let's be honest, they're much prettier. And if aesthetics are your thing, these are the stitch markers for you. This is also a variety pack, so they come in silver, gold, and bronze. As you go along your crochet journey, you may find yourself dipping your toe in the design waters. For that, one of the essentials is a notebook, like this one. It's a great way to store all of your creative ideas or even just to have a few sketches of designs that crossed your mind. What makes this notebook so unique is that it's a lay-flat notebook. It has a special binding that allows the notebook to lay flat when open. This is the perfect small notebook for any designer in the making. The next few things are for making your crochet life a bit easier. First up, we have these innovative valet yarn keys. You know when you valet your car at a fancy restaurant and you have a ticket on your key so you can easily identify your car? That's the same idea with this tool. These yarn keys have one end that attaches to your yarn and the other end that can hold your yarn label. This tool completely removes that issue of having yarn in your stash and you have no idea what the fiber content is or the care instructions. This allows all that information to remain with the yarn. I personally think this is a brilliant invention. Next up is another brilliant invention by the Hook Nook. These are Skein Saver elastics. They are gorgeous marbled resin skein savers that you can wrap around your leftover skeins so they don't become a tangled mess. It's a must for anyone looking to make their yarn stash look a lot neater. This is such a simple tool that's extremely functional. Another tool for making crochet easier is this yarn ball winder. Whether you are starting with a hank of yarn or not, this tool is a blessing. It turns your yarn into a compact center pull ball within minutes with the simple pull of a crank. This winder easily attaches to any desk or countertop and the results are amazing every single time. If you watched my recent pattern test with me video where I made the urban chic cardi, you know that I recently got soap wash in my toolkit and I love it. This is especially good for anyone who uses natural fibers for their makes. This wash is a low suds detergent that is perfect for blocking or washing your handmade pieces. You literally just let your items soak and all the dirt and detergent are left in the water. There's no need to rinse this out of your project, and as an added bonus, they come in a variety of fragrances. I personally have the Lacy fragrance that is a combination of spring blossom and sweet bergamot. Before I hop into the final category, let me give you more details on this giveaway. First, I want to start by thanking all over 600 of you. I'm so blessed to have such amazing subscribers, and this YouTube journey has been absolutely amazing so far. There will be 2 winners for this giveaway, and it will be hosted by WeCrochet. One prize is for that person that is either brand new to crochet, or you've been at crocheting a while and you could use an update on your basic tools. That person will receive kit number 1, which is the beginner crochet kit from WeCrochet. This kit includes the WeCrochet Bright Crochet Hook Set, locking stitch markers, a retractable tape measure, scissors, bent tip tapestry needles, and 2 balls of Brava Sport in the color Dove Heather. After getting this kit, you'll be set with all the basics. This next kit is for the person that is ready for anything but wants to dip their toe into the bougie pool. You will get kit number 2, which is the basic winding station. This includes a birch yarn swift, a yarn ball winder, and a maple yarn bowl. I think you will definitely be classified as bougie after getting this kit. The rules for the giveaway are: 1, you have to be a subscriber to my YouTube channel, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button. 2, leave a comment below letting me know if you would like kit number 1 or kit number 2. Also, leave your Instagram handle in the comments below. This is how I'll be communicating with you so you get your prize. You can also leave 2 comments below if you want both kits. For additional entries, repost any of my quotes or makes from my Instagram to your IG story and be sure to tag me so I can see it. This giveaway is open to residents of the US, Canada, UK, and Australia. The giveaway will start today, June 14th, and will run until noon Central Daylight Time on June 21st. I'll post a picture of each kit on my Instagram on June 21st and tag the winners. That's it. Let's hop right into the Bougie Kit. Let's face it, the Bougie Kit is not going to be for everyone. This kit is for that person that wants to go above and beyond. While all these items are not necessary for your craft, a lot of them can be helpful. To start, this mesh hanging sweater is a classic bougie item to me. Yes, you could let your items dry on a towel, but why would you do that when you could get this cool mesh hanger? This hanger is perfect for hanging in closets or on bathroom shower rods. You also have the option to use the single tier for one sweater or expand it to 2 tiers for multiple sweaters. In other cases, you may need to ensure that your finished piece dries at a specific size. This is when the WeCrochet blocking starter kit comes in handy. This kit comes with everything you need to block your pieces and more. This kit includes 12-inch blocking mats, T-pins, blocking pins, a variety pack of soap wash, instruction labels, and a lint shaver. At the time of filming this video, this kit is currently on sale, and I have no clue when the sale ends. While you're getting your blocking starter kit, you might as well pick up a blocking basin, which comes in a variety of sizes and colors and is perfect for blocking your finished pieces. Another fun item to have as a bougie crocheter is labels. And WeCrochet has no shortage on the type of labels they carry. They have everything from labels that remind you of the care instructions for your piece, to gorgeous rustic leather labels, to hilarious labels that simply say, "This took forever." I know I have a few pieces that would need that label on it. In a very similar category with labels are enamel pins. These are less permanent for your handmade pieces. And just like labels, WeCrochet has tons of options if enamel pins are your thing. I'll be sure to leave a link to WeCrochet's entire collection of enamel pins because it's honestly too hard to choose just one that I like. We all know how addicting crochet can be once you get into it. And depending on the fiber you're using, that can tend to wreak havoc on your hands. You can easily combat dry hands with this vegan butter hand cream. I personally have never used it, but just by looking at the reviews, you can tell that it's a well-loved product. Literally every review is a 5-star review, and there's high praise about how great it makes their hands feel, how it's not greasy, and how it leaves a fabulous smell. Call me old school, but I really enjoy completing patterns from a printed pattern. If you're like me, this pattern holder would be perfect for you. It protects your pattern from various food stains and prevents it from getting wrinkled. This holder is also perfect for holding any small projects you may have. Like I said before, crochet is addicting. We know this. As your addiction grows, you'll find yourself finding any time you can to crochet. This might be in the early hours of the morning or the late hours of the night. Regardless of when you're able to sneak in your craft, high levels of caffeine will be needed. And to hold all that caffeine, what's better than these super cute tall mugs? I don't know who made cats and llamas the symbol for all fiber crafts, but for some reason it just is. These 14-ounce mugs are adorable and perfect for rounding out your bougie toolkit. Clearly, this is not everything on the WeCrochet website, so feel free to browse the entire website for other useful items I didn't mention. I hope you find these tools to be helpful. Leave a comment below letting me know what's in your toolkit. I know for me, my toolkit is definitely basic with a hint of ready for anything here and there. See you in my next video. Bye!